Hi, I'm Gill. I travel around the world to learn new things. Join me today and find out what Gill knows. Today we start a series of shows on continents. A continent is a very large landmass on Earth. Do you know how many they are? Did you guess 7? Yes, 7 continents on a beautiful planet, ordered from largest in area to smallest. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. What's surprising from this list is that Antarctica has more landmass than Europe and Australia. The fact that the Earth's circumference on the poles is smaller, we might think that Antarctica would be the smallest one. Plus, the maps do not help with the misconception. It's easy to believe that Greenland is bigger than Africa too, but we know that it's not. On this episode of Gill Knows, let's take a closer look at Africa, which is the second largest continent behind Asia. Africa is home to 1.2 billion people. The continent's population live within 56 independent countries and speak over 2,900 languages. Did you know which country in Africa has the most people? Nigeria has the most people with over 16 million. The capital is Abuja, located in the middle of the country. It's also home to Lagos, which is a major financial center in Africa. It's a megacity that houses one of the largest and busiest ports on the continent. Africa is abundant with natural resources, including diamonds, gold, oil, natural gas, uranium, copper, platinum, cobalt, iron, bauxite, and cocoa beans. About 50,000 years ago, the first humans left Africa and populated the rest of the world. All modern humans can trace their lineage to their African ancestors. There are 3 deserts in Africa. Can you name them? The Kalahari, Namib, and the largest desert in northern Africa, which is called the Sahara, which is almost the size of the United States. For centuries, people have used one special animal to help them move throughout the desert. Do you know which animal it is? You're smart. You know it's a camel. Many people believe that Africa is all rainforest or desert, but there's a place in Africa that can snow all year round. Can you name that place? If you said Mount Kilimanjaro, you're right, which is the highest mountain in Africa, about 19,341 feet above sea level. Do you know the name of Africa's most famous waterfall? Yes, Victoria Falls. It's known as Mosi Oa Tunya, the smoke that thunders to the locals. It's located between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is one of the biggest waterfalls in the world at 355 feet high and 1 mile wide. Over 287,000 gallons each second water falls over the edge. Can you name the largest river in the world? It's the Nile. This river played a crucial role in the development of ancient Egyptian civilization. Silt deposits from the Nile made the surrounding land fertile because the river overflowed its banks annually. The ancient Egyptians cultivated and traded wheat, flax, papyrus, and other crops along the Nile. Egyptian hieroglyphs were the formal writing system used in ancient Egypt, with over 1,000 distinct characters. You may say they were the original emoji users. Egyptian archaeologists have identified 138 pyramids. Most were built as tombs for the country's pharaohs and queens. Africa is also home to some awesome animals. Can you name two? Lion, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, giraffe, zebra, and don't forget the fastest animal on earth, the cheetah. Fun fact, the ears of African elephants are the same shape as the African continent. I hope you had fun exploring Africa with me. Remember, we have 6 more continents to learn about. As soon as I return from exploring the next continent, I'll share what I learned. Thank you for watching Gill Knows. Hi, I'm Gill. I travel around the world to learn new things. Join me today and find out what Gill knows.